Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Today we are going to explore the world's tallest building Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall. So come along, let's explore together. So first we took a cab to the nearest metro station as there is a direct train to the Dubai Mall.
Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall. The next station is Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall.
This was very convenient, but we had to walk for about 700 meters to reach the mall from the metro station. Finally, here we are at the Dubai Mall. This place is so huge and we started with our shopping. This is the Dubai Aquarium. There's a huge tunnel inside, but we were happy with the view from here. We were really hungry and tired. For lunch, we went to the cheesecake factory. Done with yummy lunch, now we are heading to at the top Burj Khalifa. We've already booked our tickets online. There are two observation decks, 124th floor and 148th floor. We have booked for 124th floor. The lift is super fast. It takes just 1 minute to reach 124th floor. So here we are at the top of Burj Khalifa. The view was great and we could see the whole of Dubai from here. Right now we are heading to the Dubai Fountain. It starts at 6 p.m. and there's a show every half an hour until 11 p.m. Dubai Mall has multiple entries. Right now we are at the Souk al-Bahar entrance. We have come here searching for the Wings of Mexico, a famous spot for pictures. After taking all the pictures, we came back in from the Wings of Mexico entrance and waiting for the next fountain to start. The fountain was even more beautiful in the dark and Burj Khalifa was glittering. So that's it for this video guys. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram.